Want to pay off a debt to a friend? Or have you always dreamed of changing your car? Or maybe you just wanted to start earning good money? I have a solution to your problems. TradingBot is the first free Autobot with 96% signal passability. This is not just a bot, but a solution that will help change your life. Just follow the link in the description, create a new account on PocketOption, and make a deposit. That's all. 3 simple steps can change your life. Today we will start with only $1,000 and try to increase our balance to $5,000. I think we can start setting up our Autobot. We select the expiration time, currency pair, and transaction amounts. The bot is set up and we can launch it. The bot is launched, which means that trading has begun. Let's see how long it will take the Autobot to reach the desired goal. A good start from the bot, the very first deal brings us profit, and we can continue to watch how the bot trades. The result was not long in coming. The bot is sure to bring us profit from the second transaction, but this is the beginning, and our goal is still $5,000, so if the bot continues in the same spirit, it will take only 2 minutes. 3 out of 3 friends. Incredible result from Autobot. You can also get this Autobot absolutely free. Just follow the link in the description and change your life. Our balance has reached almost $3,000. Let's speed up the video a little so as not to waste your precious time, and you can watch in dynamics how the Autobot trades. Cool, our balance already exceeds $3,000 in all this thanks to the Autobot. We saw how the bot opened 2 unsuccessful transactions, but immediately corrected itself and not only returned our funds to us, but also raised our balance to $3,500, only 2 minutes in such a result. I wonder how the bot will show itself further. Unbelievable! And here we are already on the home stretch to our goal. The bot only needs to earn us $1,000 and our balance will be $5,000. I won't keep you in suspense and we'll just see how the bot does it. I have no words to describe how proud we are of our product. The result is on your screen, friends. Let's sum up the trading session. Out of 25 deals, the Autobot closed 20 deals in plus. This is simply an incredible result, and you will not find such a result anywhere. This is the first completely free Autobot. Just follow the link in the description and start earning with us. TradingBot. More than trading.